Hello guys, thank you for joining me. I am Gaurav and in this Sunday sketchbook tutorial we learn to draw the portrait of Roman dance step by step. If this video is helpful, please like, share and comment, and if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start. Start with the vertical straight line. After that, draw the oval for the head and for the face, and find the mid of the oval. Separate it in 4 equal parts. The mid of the oval is for the eye, and again the lower part separate it in 2 equal parts, and again the lower part separate it in 2 equal parts for the eye. Then find the position of the eye, which is in the photo of the Roman dance. The position of the eye is difference in body to body and face to face. This is the face of the wrestler, so his eye is not very close. Both the eye is far as normal. After that, focus on the nose. Draw at the right position of the nose after looking the figure of the Roman dance. Then draw the mouth at the right position. Both the end of the mouth is the middle at the middle of the eye. And draw a line for the small beard at the lower part of the mouth. After that, draw the mustache. The mustache of the Roman dance is little bit narrower. Mustache makes look very good view of the Roman dance. Then draw the eyebrow. He is a little bit in angry face, so the left of the eyebrow is little bit up. And draw the another eyebrow at the right position. And draw the outline for the beard. After completing the outline of the beard, erase all the waistline which is not used now. Then focus on the outline of the face and draw the jawline. This is the face of adult, so jawline is not more curved, it's like little bit triangular shape. After that, draw the forehead. Draw the outline of the forehead. The lower part of the forehead, the distance of the lower part of the forehead is approx eye to the nose. And then draw the both side of ear. The upper part of the ear at the eyebrow and the lower part of the ear at the end of the nose. Okay, then focus on the hair. He has long hair. Face become little bit fat. So we have to edit it and draw it at like Roman dance. Again, draw the ear at the right position. And draw the jawline. After that, draw the neck of the Roman dance. Then draw the neck of his shirt. The hair is very long of the Roman dance, So draw the hair at the right position, in right way. After looking the photo of the Roman names, where is the hair? Then complete his dress with all the details of the dress. Okay, then focus on the soldier. Soldier is very broad, as like the wrestler. He is one of the finest wrestler of all time. So his soldier is very broad. So draw as like his soldier. Draw the another side of the soldier. Okay, the outline of the Roman is completed. Now start with the head, hair and shade it. Now I make video a little bit fast. Whose portrait you want to learn, please write in the comment below. Watch video.